Alrighty, so I want to use this as a quick overview video for Markout 0.5x and any updates that should come before 0.6. Markout is really tracking very fastly, and it's pretty close to 1.0. I mean, honestly, there are probably a couple major more features I need to do. I need to do the car rebalancing. I need to do the story mode or something of that like, and I wanted to just show off a couple new things. So first thing I want to show off is the hunt list, which is brand new. You can see it on the overlay header. It's the target looking button. Now you can go to the collection, hit hunt on the card. It'll be added to your hunt list here, and then once you capture it, it'll add it to the capture list and alert you. So let me show you an example. So let's go to collection. Let's go to typical avalanche modifier. Let's say if I need this card for a card I'm trying to put together a craft, I can actually hit hunt list. It tells me the card is being watched for, and I can go to, I'm just showing you an example of me capturing the card. So if I go to avalanche card, you see new item available, you've captured the card, and that is how the hunt list works. And now that card is no longer in this section of the hunt list, it is now in the capture section. So that's the hunt list. Something else that is brand new is the GOAT card crafter. So there are certain cards now that can no longer be pulled from general card packs. These cards actually have to be crafted, and when you craft them, you get them. So you craft these cards by putting together a series of other cards that you collect. So for instance, for the, let's see, Phenomenal Clash. For the Phenomenal Clash, we click on this. We actually need to collect the Springboard Forearm, the Face Buster, and the Pele Kick. And if we collect all three of these, we are able to craft this card, and we are substituting these three cards for that card. So that's pretty cool, that's pretty fun. So definitely make sure if you have any cards on this list that you definitely want, you check that out. The next thing that was reworked was the Create a Wrestler system. So I'll hop in here really quickly just to show off some of the new features, but I actually made a whole video separate from this. I just want to show off the new model. So you can see we have a brand new model in the game now. Many more morphs in the game for you to create a wrestler of your desire. All the wrestlers no longer have to look the exact same. And I have a new feature in here that allows you to bring in a reference image overlay. So if we wanted to bring an image in here, cut the opacity up, you can place this image where you want, scale it how you want, and really just have access to references inside of the game. We have new attires, so you can now go into hair, see a bunch of different hairstyles in the game now. New scalp options are inside of the game now, so that you can have hairline and different things like that. There is now the option to save a color in your color palette. So you could say, let's want to add this. Now if I wanted to go to a different item and quickly use that same color, I could just click that button. So that can be done for tires as well as facial hair, color, anything, features. Everything's basically the same inside of here, except there are just some more options for eyeballs, and that's it. Just cat options, cat eyes, stuff like that. You can now go in and you have some options for some 3D clothing. So there are some clipping issues, and that's something I'm trying to look at alleviating, but I needed to get the game out first with the updates before I spent more time working on that. So now you can see I'm fully clothed head to toe in 3D clothing. Let's go here and check out the joggers. Got some joggers in here as well, so those can be used for different things. And we can remove the upper, and let's add in a mask. So of course this mask has scalp and hair protruding out. And let's move the white space because we no longer need the white space. But yeah, you can see, just based on these images, some of the different things you'll be able to do. On top of that, feet, now you have some gym shoe options. Throw some gym shoes on your guy. I'm saying a lot. I apologize. Losing my voice at this point. But got elbow pads in the game. So you can do elbow pads. You can do armbands in the game. Hand tape. Look at that. Just a bunch of tons of different things you can really do in the creative wrestling mode now. So definitely make sure you have fun in here, because I think that you'll really just enjoy the new bounds that you are able to traverse with that new system. Something else is new. Let's go into match mode. Check something out. We now have a brand new screen for when you select your wrestler. So originally the arena just took up the entire screen. Now I just put some light truss behind just to give it a different look, as well as a random spotlight that comes occasionally over the characters. And I don't see it here. Let me see if it pops up here. It's kind of slow. So it'll highlight the characters occasionally, and you'll be able to see it. Something else I want to show you that was added is the ability now to go into your deck builder. Go into a tutorial deck, and you will now see this gold card slot in your deck, and that is a finisher. So you can now assign your finishers by maxing out a card, and as long as it's in your deck, you can hit finisherize, and you will now have a maxed out card as your finisher, which is pretty cool. Another feature that you can actually do inside of Markout right now is you can merge cards outside of matches. So let's say if we wanted to go to our Avalanche card, go to our innovations, say we wanted to do a superplex. As long as we have these cards available for use, we can hit innovate, craft, and now we have a superplex card. And that was just that was used that was created by trading in that Avalanche and that vertical suplex. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna upgrade this card to max stat. And add it to deck and finisherize it. And now this is my finisher, as you can see. So yeah, that's pretty straightforward. Another thing that was added is the new post-match draft board, which I'm not sure if I'll be able to actually show it off here, but it does exist. It's real. So make sure you look out for it, and I'll have a separate video that actually shows it in the video I did that shows off the promotion creator and the grind mode. But appreciate you for supporting Markout so far. It's been a long 2 months of updates at this point, and I've just enjoyed all of the support I've gotten so far, all of the feedback, all of the advice, and really just having a great time making this game. And I'll talk to you soon. Peace out.